Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to explore how to connect with Google Sheet from MuleSoft Composer Flow, and also we will see how to manipulate the data or transform the data using inbuilt custom expression feature in MuleSoft Composer. So let's start. So I just logged into my MuleSoft Composer, and now we are going to create a new flow. So let me create new flow from scratch. Okay. And let me name it as demo GS, means Google Sheet connection. Okay, let's save it. Now I will click on this system event and I will select this Google Sheet or I'm just trying to configure the triggering event for this flow. So for that, I'm taking Google Sheet because I want using Google Sheet, I will generate an event and that event in turn will uh, trigger this MuleSoft Composer flow. So now I'm going to create a new connection to show you that how to create the connection, and it's very easy. So let me give a name. Let me give a name as demo GS and click on this connect. Now I will going to sign in with my Gmail account. This is the Gmail account I'm going to use. And now I have to click continue to give the necessary access so that MuleSoft Composer can access the Google Sheet using my Gmail account. So done. Pretty easy. So now I have to select the event. So I will select updated row. So I have already created a spreadsheet. Uh, Let me show you this spreadsheet. This is the spreadsheet we are going to use. So I have to select that spreadsheet now. So what I'm saying that I will create a row over here and then I will update that row, and on updation that will trigger this MuleSoft Composer flow. So from the spreadsheet, I'm taking this demo MuleSoft Composer. Now I have to give the worksheet name. I have created two worksheets, input and output. So I select in. So basically what I'm going to do, I will add some data in the input worksheet and then I will send that data back to output worksheet. And I'm making it true. That means though I am generating this trigger for updated event, but also I'm saying that if I include a new row in my worksheet, then treat that as an event generator or as a triggering event. Now select the field which I'm going to consider through the triggering event. These are the fields I'm going to read into my MuleSoft Composer flow. So let's select all these fields so that these fields are available in the flow, down the line actions of the flow. So click on apply and it will show these sample output should be populated with all these whatever I have selected. Let me refresh it. Okay. So since I have not put any data, I guess that's why it's not able to find any data in that. If I have already added one row, so let me put some value over here and let's see how it going to, if now I can see something as the in the triggering event. So let me put to 12. So what I'm trying to do is that trying to check that whether the sample output is getting populated. If I put, if I pre-fill my worksheet with some value, let's see. Or maybe I have to select the fields once again. Let me refresh. See the values are coming. Yeah. So now I have some value over here. So let me apply it. And yes, now the sample output is getting populated with those values. So it is actually indicating that what will be the output of this entire triggering event. So now I have to send the data back to my output worksheet. So here I am going to select a system action. Again, I am going to select the Google Sheet, and I will take the same worksheet, same connection. And now in the action, I will say create row. So I'm going to create a new row, and I will take this as a spreadsheet. I can take another spreadsheet also, but for this demo purpose, I am using one spreadsheet, but I am using two different worksheets. So I will select the output one, and now I will select the columns. So now you see these are the columns available on my output worksheet. So that is already created. So these are the column I created, and I will populate these fields. So what I will do first, I will select all these three fields from my output worksheet. And now I want to do some kind of data transformation. So first I will take the name and I will take the custom expression. So what my first I will do, I will concatenate the first name and last name, and I put it into the under the name column in the output sheet. So let me give a space and then do it, and it will validate. It's a valid syntax. So apply. So it's pretty easy. I'm doing some data transformation just with few clicks, and it's a powerful tool to do some kind of data transformation before sending the data from source to target. And a business person can easily do it by just doing some clicking. No coding is required. Now, suppose month, I want to take another custom expression. So now I will use a function. There is a function called month already available. Let me, yeah. So this is month. So here I can put a date value. I can put something. I can give a date. Say I can put now as a function. So whatever is today's date, and based on that, it will put the month, populate the month. So now will give me the current date time, and from that month will pick the month portion and populate the month value under the month column. So let me apply that. And now suppose training, I want to I want to, instead of taking the entire training name what I populated over here, let me show you. So input, I have given MuleSoft Composer, but now I want to only pick the Composer part in the output. I just want to remove the MuleSoft part in under the training column. So if I want to do it, there are ready-made functions available. So I will go all the way below. So these are date function. Now the string functions are there. Yeah, so these are the string function. And here I will see there is one moment. Let me find out the, yes, the last. So last will return means the number of character from the last of my strings. So if I go to data, I will populate training name here, and then I will give the last, say, 8 character. Okay. And I think composer is 8, COMPOSER. Yeah. So I will take the last 8 character, and then suppose I want them to be all in uppercase. So I can put it in uppercase. So I will put upper. Let me do it in this way. Sorry. Let me put one second upper, and let me copy this entire thing and put it inside upper. This will work. Yes, so it's a valid syntax. Now apply this. So pretty much that's it. It is done. So now I have to save it. Let me save this. Okay. It is getting saved. Okay. Now I will test it, and I will just waiting for test to start. Triggering event. So I will change something here. Let me change it to, let's see what happened. So I've just updated the row. So the triggering event should occur. Okay. Okay. So test finished. Let me show you the output. You can see my first name and last name is getting concatenated. My training portion, so my input was MuleSoft Composer, and output is only Composer, and that too in a uppercase, and month since I have used now. So and this recording is going on in December, month of December. So it has populated the field December. So now you can understand that using MuleSoft Composer, we can also do data manipulation or data transformation as per our requirement. And this, I mean, the MuleSoft Composer has that out of the box capability to manipulate the data, and the business person can do it by using some click. So this is the end of this video. I believe it's you will like this video. If you like this video, please do share, subscribe, and like, and that will be a huge motivation for me. Very soon I will come back with one more video. Till then, bye, and thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.